Hey friends, welcome to the Logic Chamber. So today's interesting topic is discovering the marvels of ocean. So let's get started. The ocean, a vast, mysterious, and majestic zone that covers over 70% of our planet. Oceans are even bigger than seas. Now let's have a look on what animals can you find in the ocean. So let's get started. Fish, the fantastic creatures that inhabit the aquatic domain. With over 30,000 species, fish are a diverse and fascinating group, each with their unique characteristics. Number 2. Jellyfish are gelatinous, transparent creatures that float in the water. Some jellyfish in the deep ocean can even glow in the dark. So, here's a glowing jellyfish. Number 3. Corals are made up of tiny animals called polyps. They form colonies and create beautiful structures. They have been used in medicines for centuries. Number 4. Dolphins are intelligent and playful mammals. They're excellent swimmers and communicate with each other using clicks, whistles, and body movements. Such a playful sea creature. Whales are called the gentle giants of the sea. Most of them feed on tiny plankton and krill. A blue whale's heart alone can weigh as much as a small car. That's interesting. Number 6. Octopuses are intelligent and highly adaptable creatures. They have soft bodies and 8 arms lined with suction cups. They have 3 hearts, 9 brains, and soft bodies with no bones. Wow! Number 7. Most moray eels prefer to live in the world's warmer waters. They're active in finding food at night. Fossil records show that they've remained largely unchanged for millions of years. Ocean is still unexplored. The ocean is home to different animals. Over 700,000 to 1 million species are found in ocean. Ocean is still a mysterious frontier with much to be explored and discovered. So here are some creepy facts about ocean. The ocean is home to an endless number of ghost ships, some of which are centuries old and still have the remains of crew members on board. The ocean is home to an array of mysterious sounds, including the bloop sound that was detected in 1997 and remains one of the loudest and most mysterious sounds ever recorded. Trivia time. What is the deepest part of ocean? Comment your answer below. For such more videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.